We're good with it, y'all. Christmas came a little early this year. I got a early gift or whatever, and it just got dropped off and all that good kind of stuff. So I want to get into it. This is I've been wanting to get some more like Letterman jackets, Varsity jackets, whatever you want to call it, all that kind of stuff. So I've been wanting to get some more of them, and I'm actually, for those who watch the video, I'm actually about to start making my own, you know, cadet branded Letterman jackets and stuff like that. But for this one, I might keep it the same, I might not, I don't know. But this is from Fashionova. You know, yeah. So we finna get into it. I'm gonna tell y'all about the quality and the overall experience with this thing. For me, I might get some on body shots or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all be seeing it. If I do it, y'all will see it. Probably will. But I did get a size large, and from the weight of it, it seemed like it's pretty decent. You know what I mean? I think it was 35 before shipping. After shipping, there was shipping and tax. It was somewhere around like 46 or something like that, which isn't bad for a nice little jacket or whatever. I don't feel like that's too bad. So yeah, I got the black one. I think they had a black and a red one. They had other ones too, but I kind of wanted to get something like I can wear a whole lot. Okay, nice little package. You know what I'm saying? They taking care of you, boy. They taking care of my little pleather. You feel me? Put that down. But here it is, the jacket. First impressions on it, I really like it. I honestly thought it wasn't gonna be this good, to be real with y'all. First impressions, I like it, man. It got a good weight to it. The pocket, pocket parts are, zoom in on it for y'all. Yeah, that's actually a bit of that good old pleather as well. You know what I'm saying? You got the stripes on the bottom and stuff like that. And what I didn't notice in the photos is these sleeves are actually pleather as well. I didn't know that was gonna be pleather. I like that. Got the look of leather, but not the cost of it. I like that. You feel me? Hold on, me. You know, yeah. But yeah, man, it's a cool little jacket, man. I'm about to show y'all a little something, how it fit and everything. Hold on a second, I'll talk about that in a minute. I'm about 5'10", 190, you know what I'm saying? I lift a little bit or whatever. So this is a size large. It fits perfect on me, honestly. I can put a hoodie on up under it, or I can wear it by itself. So this is exactly what I want. A nice black, you know what I'm saying, subtle, not too, you know what I'm saying, crazy with the colors or nothing like that. Just something I can wear pretty often. And then something to note, these white lines, they aren't like a regular start white, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like an off-white type of color, you know what I'm saying? So it's actually perfect for the fall, you know what I mean? And then, you know, the more you wear stuff, it get a little dingy, you feel me? So, you know what I mean? Y'all see where I'm going, you feel me? So it's already off-white, so we good in that area, you feel what I'm saying? Overall, man, I feel like it's a great jacket. A really, really good alternative to all the other expensive stuff out here. If you want to just go on ahead and see how a varsity jacket looks on you, styles on you, and all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Get your feet wet a little bit. This is definitely a good option. I might order me some more. If they have some more colors and stuff like that, I'm probably gonna order some more. Showed y'all some on body shots, you feel me what I'm saying? If y'all interested in this hat, you know what I'm saying, I make these, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what's going on. If you're interested in this hat, just DM me on Instagram, cadet_B7, all that kinds of stuff. But I guess that's it, man. I appreciate y'all watching, you know what I'm saying? Fashion tips from the cadet, you know what I mean? Hey, get drippy for less, you hear me? But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man.
I can't stop, I go get money. Them niggas over there funny, huh? We making moves to that money. I can't stop, but I can't slow, honey.